How? Now.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
How? How now? How now, brown cow.
Did you hear that? The ring in Spain, the ring in Spain falls mostly on the plain. Huh? They talk. Those dogs can talk.
Yeah, it's a dog school. Madam, she's dog school.
You dumb pup. You'll never amount to anything. You'll never talk. All you can say is...
No.
That's right. Just no.
No.
He looks too young to be in school. Would you like to play with us?
No.
That's not the way to talk to a puppy. Here, puppy. Come here, boy.
No.
But we like you, puppy. Don't you like us?
No.
I think he wants to play, but all he can say is no.
Let's play with him anyway. You circle around, I'll go this way, and we'll catch him. You're not afraid of us, are you, pup?
No.
We're going to be friends, aren't we, pup?
No.
Now see what you've done. Uh-oh.
It's the dog catcher.
Hello there. Have you seen a small dog around here?
Why?
Oh, there's a small dog nearby who's a dropout from Madam She's dog school.
A school dropout?
That's right. Well, I guess you haven't seen him because you wouldn't forget him. All he ever says is no.
Does he have big eyes and little funny ears?
Ah, yes. Then you have seen him. No. Aha! I caught you. It's off to the dog pound with you, you little stray.
Gumby, do something.
Wait a minute. He's really my puppy, sir. I'll prove it. You're not the puppy that can only say no, are you?
No.
And you're not a stray, are you?
No.
So you see, you've made a mistake.
Well, if you see him, call me. No.
Phew. Well, I'll have to admit it. Gumby, you're a genius.
No.
I think you're right, puppy. You're the clever one.